In this lesson, you will create a digital presentation in Google Slides that informs an audience about a topic. A digital presentation combines text, images, and design, so you can communicate about a topic in a way that engages your audience and expresses who you are. The topic for your presentation could be anything, such as something you're studying in school, something you're interested in, or something your teacher assigns. Your presentation can also be a way to introduce yourself to the class or a new club you're joining. You will include at least 3 slides containing details about your topic. Just like your culture and beliefs may influence your views on a topic, your audience may view the topic based on their own culture and beliefs. For example, if your presentation is on manners, you might say something like, "It's a good idea to maintain eye contact with the person you're speaking with." However, in some cultures, lowering the eyes is a sign of respect. It's also important to keep in mind that many topics, especially those pertaining to current events, can have multiple perspectives. Your perspective is your point of view. How you feel about a topic may not necessarily be how someone else feels, and that's okay. Another thing to keep in mind as you choose a topic is to keep it specific. For example, if your topic is giants of the ocean, you may not need a lot of slides for your information. But if your topic is all about the ocean, you may need hundreds of slides to present the information. You will use digital skills to create your presentation so you can easily add slides and exciting elements like animations and transitions to complete your project. This lesson uses Google Slides, but you could apply these skills and concepts in most other presentation applications. If you'd like, you can turn on captions in Google Slides when presenting your topic. Captions may make it easier to follow the presentation. Click on the links next to this video to learn how to use captions and other features. As you create your presentation in Google Slides, you will add slides to the presentation, add text and images, format and reposition text and images to change how your slides look, add animations and transitions to your presentation, and digitally share your slides with a classmate. To work on this lesson, sign into your Google account. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to google.com. If you do not have a Google account, pause the video and create one. Then, open Google Drive and create a new presentation in Google Slides. Give your presentation a title. Now it's your turn. Sign into your Google account, create a new presentation, and rename it. In this video, you will choose a theme for your presentation. You will also add 3 slides and fill in the text on the title slide. A theme is a collection of design and layout elements like backgrounds, colors, graphics, fonts, and more. Adding a theme gives your slides an overall color scheme and style, so all of them have the same look and feel. To start, choose a theme for your presentation. Pick a theme that relates to your topic and expresses your personality and tastes. You might choose a theme that is serious, fun, simple and understated, or that simply uses your favorite colors. Next, add 3 slides to your presentation. In later videos, you will fill out these slides with text, images, and information that you would like your audience to know. Choose the same layout for all 3 of your slides, or choose different layouts to add more variety to how your slides will look. Return to your title slide. Click in the title text box and type in a title that tells your audience what your presentation is about. If you like, add a subtitle as well, like your name. Now it's your turn. Choose a theme for your presentation, add 3 slides and choose a layout, and type a title and subtitle on your title slide. In this video, you will add text to your slides. The text will communicate details about your topic. In this example, the details will be about who you are and the things that matter to you. On your presentation, the slides might represent a different part of the main topic for a subject you're studying in school. Use Google Search to do research on your topic if you need to. To start, click on the second slide in your presentation. Think about the first thing you would like your audience to know. For example, if you are introducing yourself, you might use this slide to describe people, pets, or school subjects you care about, talk about an accomplishment, or discuss something you'd love to do. If your presentation is about another topic, you can use this slide to share information about that topic. If a title is in the layout, type a descriptive title on your slide. Next, add text to go with your title. Then, format your text to make the look of your slide fit your topic and personality. You can change the font size, type, or both. You can also add color to your text. And bold it to make it stand out. Once you finish your first informational slide, repeat the process for the next 2 slides. Insert more text to tell your audience more about your topic. If your layout doesn't have room for a title, add enough descriptive text so your audience will know what your slide is about. Finally, add one more slide and choose a layout. Type a final thought for your audience. This might be a motto, a phrase that describes you, or a short message like thank you or think positive. Now it's your turn. Add text to your informational slides, format the text, add one more slide, and type a final thought. In this video, you will add images to go with the text on your slides. Images make your presentation more visually exciting and eye-catching to your audience. There are a few ways that you can insert images. First, you can search for them online. To begin, search the web for an image to add to your first informational slide. Search for the image and make sure you have the right to use the image. When you've found an image you like, insert it. Then, resize and move it to where you want it on the slide. You can also upload your own photos that you took with your phone or camera, or images downloaded from the internet. The photos or images need to be on your computer or in Google Drive for you to use. This is a great option if your topic is about you personally or about places you visited. If you're using images of specific people, be sure to get their permission first. You may even want to add captions to your photos. Finish adding images. Finally, preview the slides to see what they look like so far. Now it's your turn. Search for or upload images for your slides, insert them on your slides, resize and move the images to where you want them, add any captions you'd like, and preview the slides to see what they look like so far. In this video, you will animate some of the images and text on your slides. Animating objects like text and images is a way to add movement to your slides. Effects like animations and transitions, which you'll add in the next video, make your slides look more interesting and fun. They engage your audience and allow you to share information about your topic in different ways. To start, click on the title slide to animate it. Then, choose from the list of animation effects. Test different animations until you find the one that works best for your presentation. The default setting to make your animations appear is on click. If you leave this in place, you'll need to press a key to see the animation. Select After Previous to make the animation happen automatically as the slide presentation progresses. If you included a subtitle, animate it as well. Adjust the speed of the animations until you are happy with the effect. Test your animations again. Now go to the next slide and choose what you'd like to animate. While animating is fun, it's best not to animate everything so it doesn't distract from your message. You can animate images the same way as text. Make sure the animations begin after previous so they run automatically. Now, animate your next slide. You can animate any captions you included on your slides too. continue animating your slides. Animate the closing message for your presentation in a way that will leave a lasting impression on your audience. For example, you might want to zoom out to show that your presentation is finished. Finally, preview your presentation to see what all of your animations look like together. Now it's your turn. Animate some of the images and text on your slides, adjust the effects and speed of the animations, and preview your presentation. By now, your presentation is looking really interesting with text, images, and animations. In this video, you will add transitions to your slides. A transition is a visual effect that occurs when slides advance. To begin, add a transition to your second slide. This will be the transition you will see between the first and second slides. Set the speed for your transition so it's not too fast or slow between slides. If it's too fast, your audience won't have time to read what's on the slide. If it's too slow, they might lose interest. You can apply the same transition to all slides or choose different transitions. Continue adding transitions to your remaining slides. Finally, preview your presentation to see the finished product. Nice job! Now it's your turn. Choose transitions for your slides, adjust the speed of the transitions, and preview your presentation. You now have a completed presentation about your topic. It includes text and moving visual elements, so your audience will stay interested and engaged. In this video, you will share your presentation with a classmate so they can learn more about your topic and give you feedback. With digital applications like Google Slides, you can share what you create so someone can view, comment on, or make changes to it. You can both work on a single presentation from your own separate screens. To begin, pair up with a classmate, or your teacher may assign you a partner. You can sit at separate computers. Add your partner's email address to share your presentation. Then, select the permission you want to use. Editor means the person you share it with can make changes directly on your presentation. Commenter allows them to make comments but not change the presentation. And Viewer lets them see your presentation only. For this lesson, choose Commenter. Include a short note for your partner about what you are sending. Finally, send your email. Check your email to find your partner's presentation so you can comment on it just like they will be commenting on yours. Watch the presentation to see the animations and transitions your partner included. Exit to make comments. Make your comments positive and encouraging, but try to give useful feedback as well. Tell them what you learned and give them suggestions about things they might include or change. Leave at least 2 comments for your partner about their presentation. Once you finish entering comments for your partner, open your own presentation to see the comments your partner left for you. Now it's your turn. Digitally share your presentation with a partner, leave at least 2 comments for your partner, and open your presentation to review the comments your partner left for you. In this lesson, you created a presentation in Google Slides that introduces a topic and shares information about it. You added text and images to tell people all about your topic. You animated those elements and added slide animations and transitions to keep your audience engaged and express your personality. You digitally shared your presentation with a partner and commented on their presentation to provide encouragement and suggestions. You learned how to design a presentation that includes a theme, text, and images. You added visual flair to your slides to convey the tone and personality of your presentation to your audience. The digital skills you learned can help you to communicate information on any topic clearly and keep an audience engaged in nearly any school or work situation. You could create a similar type of presentation to celebrate a holiday or special occasion, complete a report or project for school, or even update teammates on new uniforms. Whatever type of presentation you create next, you can use the digital skills you learned in this lesson. In the main lesson, you chose a theme for your presentation. Remember that a theme is a collection of design and layout elements, like backgrounds, colors, graphics, fonts, and more. With Google Slides, you can choose from many preset theme choices, or you can customize your own unique look. In this extension, you will change the look of your theme to better fit your personality and your topic. For example, as you scroll through your presentation, you may decide that you want to change the font, but changing it on every slide is time-consuming. Instead, change it all at once. To begin, open your presentation. Next, edit the theme. You will see all the layout slides in this theme. Select the top slide. Select the title and choose a different font. This changes the title font. And if you scroll through the rest of the layout's slide templates, you will see that the titles have changed there as well. There are several other style changes you can make from the theme slide. Experiment until you find the right look for your presentation. If you plan to use these changes in the future, give your new theme a name and save it. Finally, scroll through the presentation to see the changes to your theme. Now it's your turn. Open your presentation, open the Edit Theme function, select the top theme slide, make any style changes you wish, and name and save your new theme. The text in your presentation can do more than just express your thoughts and ideas. It can also project a mood or feeling. Often, just by reading the text, someone can tell if the subject is serious, fun, or even silly. In this extension, you will use word art to add extra emphasis and excitement to the text in your presentation. To begin, open your presentation and look at your title slide. It tells your audience about the topic of your presentation. Replace the text with a font that better suits your topic. First, delete the text box with your original title. Then, insert word art. Retype or copy and paste the first line of your title text and save it. Next, adjust the size and the placement of your word art. Repeat the previous steps to add word art to your subtitle, or you can keep the mix of word art and regular text. Next, choose a new font for your word art. Make the font bold or italic to create an extra emphasis if you like. Next, modify your two word art objects at the same time. Press Shift and then click each object to link them together. This is called grouping. When you group objects, you can make changes to them at the same time. Then, choose a fill color for your letters. The fill color can be either solid or a gradient. You can also add a border with either a solid or dashed line. Adjust the border thickness, and the border color. Finally, compare your new word art title slide to the original text so you can see the difference. Now it's your turn. Open your presentation, replace the title slide text with word art, group word art objects together, change the font style, fill color, and border of your word art, and compare the new title slide with the original. In this extension, you will embed a video into your presentation. Adding a video can make your slide more meaningful to you and your viewers. Think about a video you can add to your slide and where you might add it. For example, if one of your slides is about your pets, you can embed a video of your pets playing. To begin, open your presentation and decide where you want to embed the video. Then insert a video. Use the search option to search videos on YouTube using a keyword. If you already have a video in mind, enter its URL. Or use a video you have stored in Google Drive. This example will demonstrate how to choose a video in Google Drive. First, find the video you would like to embed and select it. Your video is now embedded in the slide. Next, change the size of the video preview box and the position of the box on your slide. When you add the video to your presentation, you combine picture, sound, and motion to illustrate an idea in a way that words, graphics, and photos alone can't. Now it's your turn. Open your presentation, decide where you want to embed a video, insert a video from YouTube or Google Drive, or use its URL, and adjust the size and position of the video on your slide. In this extension, you will publish your animated presentation to the web. Then, anyone can see your presentation who has the link. To begin, open your presentation. Before you publish your presentation to the web, it's important to understand that this makes it public. So, take a moment to consider if there's anything in your presentation that is private or that you wouldn't want everyone to see, like your last name. Run the presentation in presenter view. Make sure your transitions and animations are working properly. Or check your individual animations in the animation menu. Click Stop to exit the menu. When your presentation is ready, publish it to the web. Your options include linking, which gives you a URL to share with others, and embedding, which will paste the actual presentation into a web page, blog, or social media site. Choose Link. Next, decide on the auto advance speed. This is the amount of time someone will see the slide before it proceeds to the next one. It is important to set the speed so that someone has enough time to read the slide, but not too slow that they lose interest. Then choose how the presentation starts, either automatically when it loads or manually when the viewers click play. You can also program your presentation to repeat in a continuous loop. When you are happy with your presentation, publish it. Press the Ctrl-C or Command-C keys to copy the link and paste the link into a new tab in your browser to view your presentation. Use the Ctrl-V or Command-V keys to paste. Then, return to the Publish menu and email the link to your friends or teacher. To remove your presentation from the web, return to the Publish menu and stop publishing it. Now it's your turn. Open your presentation, preview your presentation to make sure it's working properly, select the settings you want to use for publishing, publish your presentation, and email the link to your friends or teacher. In this extension, you will format text and images to vary the look of your presentation. To do this, you will use image cropping and masking. Cropping allows you to adjust the edges of an image to emphasize certain parts and hide others. A mask is a kind of crop, but instead of a rectangle, you can choose from a variety of different shapes, like hexagons or circles. To begin, open your presentation. Select an image in your presentation and crop it or mask it. Then, apply effects and adjustments to text and images. Select an object to view the available formatting options. Create a drop shadow. Choose a shadow color. Then, adjust the shadow's transparency, angle, distance, and whether you want the shadow to be sharp or blurred. To produce a mirror image of a text or picture, select the formatting option Reflection. Adjust reflection transparency, distance, and size as you like. You can also recolor an image. Select the image and choose Recolor. Pick from a variety of preset color themes, including black and white. No recolor will return the image to its original settings. Or use options from the Adjustments tool, like transparency. Brightness, or contrast. If you decide you don't like the changes you made, you can always reset to your original settings. Now it's your turn. Open your presentation, mask an image into a shape, apply a drop shadow and reflection to your text or images, adjust image color using Recolor, and adjust image transparency, brightness, and contrast. In this extension, you will use speaker notes in your presentation to store extra information that you can read but is hidden from your audience. As you prepare for your presentation, add comments in the speaker notes field at the bottom of each slide. You can refer to this extra information as you give your presentation. Continue adding speaker notes to your informational slides. To refer to your notes while you give your presentation, enable Presenter View. Your speaker notes will appear in a new window. Arrange your displays so that your presentation appears on the projector screen and your speaker notes are on your computer. As you advance your slides, your notes will also advance. Speaker notes are useful for organizing your slide presentation, reminding you about the important points you wish to make, and presenting information more simply and effectively. Speaker notes can help you give a better presentation in any setting. Now, it's your turn. Add speaker notes to each of your informational slides, and turn on Presenter View to see your notes as you give your presentation.